Hello, this is Dr. Nipikin Boyson. So, for those of you who are on the AI Africa lab and also have been trained, this is our newly created chatbot that we are training on the um, OpenAI ChatGPT. This will be moved in about 6 months to our own private chatbot. We have the knowledge base, and what we have done here is to give you the power to create almost everything. Almost everything. This chatbot has a knowledge base of books that we have created, where we have considered all the resources in the 54 countries in Africa. So when you come here and you want to do anything, create anything, you can create it. This is something that is for Africans, so we have not published it. We'll send it to you by a link and we can take it out from there. So let me give you a typical example. You can see from here, it says AiAfrica GTP is a custom AI platform that transforms African natural resources into a world-class product by guiding users through satellite-powered country-specific value creation from idea to commercialization. It means you can do almost anything. So let's just start. I want to say that what can you do for me? So it's going through the knowledge base and it's going to tell me what it can do. So, in addition to the prompt Bible, this is what we have done. It says, show your country's untapped wealth. I will analyze satellite mining and agriculture data. I will show you your country key resources estimated on mine value and sectorial opportunities, example, agro, energy, and all that. Map resources to product value chain, example, cassava to starch to biopacking to compostable exports. And I'll guide you through every step from raw materials to finished product. Wow. You will also see how to industrialize locally and create export business. And it says that help you create new products using seven-stage AI product development engine. I will walk you through ideation based on problems and resource concept development, feasibility studies, market price, technical, then prototyping. This is amazing. Testing, pricing and demand simulation, and the business model go to market and commercialization. And then he can give you a generate full business blueprint for you, a full 6,000 page proof of value business plan tailored to your idea, country, and currency. Include financial forecast, capital needs, export strategy, SDG impact, and more. And then give you hundreds of AI prompts to launch your product for your country. I can give you 100 plus AI prompts from agro processing, mining and energy, manufacturing, creative industry, renewable energy, and tech and ed tech. Okay, turn you into an AI powered entrepreneur. Whether you are a student, SME, farmer, or policymaker, I will help you use AI to brainstorm, plan, launch, and scale. Assess tools for logistics, financing, market research, and more. Let's begin. Then it says your name. And so I say my name is David King Boyson. And my profession, I am AI. What do I do? I'm maritime and uh, port expert. And it says country, I am in Ghana. And do I have any idea of what to build? Want to turn cassava hacks to ethanol. Ethanol. So this is what I want to do. So I proceed. So let's see what is going to happen. Okay, fantastic. You are a maritime expert in Ghana. You want to turn cassava hacks to this. So he said cassava hacks to ethanol. Ghana's biofuel breakthrough step one, resource and market profile. So he's saying that Ghana is among the top global producers of cassava with over 20 million metric tons annually. It's telling me what I can do. 35 to 30, 30 to 35 of cassava ends up waste. Peel hacks and what? Slurry. Cassava hacks is rich in what? Fermentable carbohydrate, ideal for bio ethanol production. Ethanol market potential. Ethanol demand in Africa exceed 1.5 billion liters a year. Ghana imports over 100 million in ethanol for pharmaceuticals, industry use, and biofuel blending. Export market is what we are seeing here. Step two, value chain creation, sourcing. It says partner with cassava processes in Eastern Volta and Ahafo, pre-treatment, mechanical drying and milling, fermentation, use yeast culture to convert sugar into ethanol, distilling, dehydration, packaging, and what? Distribution. And then step three, startup capital estimate for this. It gives me everything here. And then it says set up AI-powered actions, use AI to forecast cassava zones via satellite and all that, optimize fermentation. And it says step five, what I would generate for you. I will begin creating a 6,000 proof of value dossier, including executive summary and all that. And it says, shall I begin generating a detailed business dossier for you? And it says that from what is thrown away, hacks, we will create fuel, income, and export power. You are not starting small, you are starting smart. So I say, go proceed and create the document. But first, generate a comprehensive outline. So that is it. So it's going to create this for me. So this is the outline it's creating for me for the cassava project. And I'm doing this on the AiAfrica. You see what is happening? Yes, a 6,000 dossier document. And I just want you to see how this thing works. Okay, so I say proceed with the first chapter and include statistical data and citations from APA format and write in a professional, compelling, and persuasive manner. I'm just adding, you don't need to do what I'm doing. I'm just adding uh, some things to make the document more. So it starts. So this is the executive summary, turning cassava to ethanol. And that's what you are seeing. Okay, how the project is going to look like. And this is just amazing. This is just amazing. So this is the executive summary. It gives the references. That is it. So I can just proceed to the next. I want this to be written in the chat instead of this one. So let's see what it gives us. Yeah, so that's what we have here. Okay, the strategic vision. And it's amazing. It said Ghana endowed with 22 million metric tons of cassava. So it has started, writing the proof of value for me. And this is what I've created for the entire continent of Africa, that you can use this to create almost anything you want to create. So now it asks you to go to the next. All right, so what I can do is I can copy this, chapter one overview, copy this and put it to the next one. So I go to proceed to the next, and it gives me what? The cassava ethanol context. It's giving me some statistical data. Cassava, Ghana most cultivated root crops and all that. That's what it does. Um, and it's giving me this document. Okay. It's giving me this document. So I go to the next one. I say proceed when it's done. All right. Chapter 3, resource analysis, cassava hack supply chain, and composite. So let's see how this thing pans out. All right. So it's doing the analysis. We have the supply chain. Um, this is it. Seasonal availability of the supply chain, environmental, whatever. And it gives us a table of the annual cassava hacks and the fermentation. And these statistics is just amazing. It's just amazing. All right. Then we'll move to the next. Proceed. So all that I'm doing is proceed, 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 proceed. Chapter 5 talks about what? The process overview. So now this is where we do technology and process design from hacks to ethanol. So this is where we go step by step process what we are supposed to do. And the AI is telling us what to do. We don't need anyone. The AI is telling us step by step what to do, condition, the role we need to play. Everything is given to you just without any hassle. Okay. And that's what we're going to use in the lab to create our proof of value and order using the AI what Bible, right? Then I move to what? The next. Then I go on and on. Then I am done. I just want to go through this process for you to see that the platform is creating a 6,000 page document for me. Now, product portfolio and use cases, core ethanol from cassava hacks. Now it's telling us ethanol product grades and supply chain. You're seeing it, okay? And then, what is used to do ethanol grade, purity, use case, and market segment, just amazing. And the strategic use cases in Ghana and West Africa, they are all here. These are implementable, concepts that can put money in your pocket. Chapter 5, let's look at what? The market and the feasibility studies. Let's just look at that. Okay. So this one is giving us the demand that we have in the market. They said that with the local supply limit, Ghana imports 70 to 80% of its ethanol from India and South Africa and Brazil, according to Ghana Statistical Service. So we can do so much about it. Nigeria consumes about 4 million liters of ethanol annually. So there's market. Burkina Faso, Togo, and Cote d'Ivoire also import ethanol for fuel and industrial use. So the market is there, even within Africa. So we can get into this business and then make serious money. The fuel grade and all the selling price and then local market, everything is here. It's giving you the cost structure, the OPEX, okay? Feedstock, we have the enzymes and the yeast and the utilities and all that. It's giving you between $800 to $850, all right? Then the CAPEX is what you are finding here. Total is this. And then return on investment is what you are having. Gross revenue is 4 million. Annual net mean after tax is 2.5 million. Payback is 2.5 years to 3 years. The internal rate of return is between 28 to what? 35. That is good. Net present value 5 years at 10% discount is 5.2 million. And you have a sensitivity analysis that this is doing for you. So this platform is doing. So ethanol price, 15% assumption, and the impact, the return on investment. IO falls into what? 21%, 3%, 6 to 8%. And this is just amazing. And then financing options are there for you. And that is it. So we move to the next one where we have the application in project operation. So this is where we go to AI application in project. So strategic role in AI in internal production, what it's going to do, and AI implementation process and all that, and AI in quality assurance and all that. Okay. Then we can take it out from there. So this is something just amazing we can do with this chatbot that I've created. Okay, everything is in here, financial impact and integration. So you have a tool that you can use almost to do anything. So let's look at the implementation. Okay, so that is it. The implementation is here. The phases of implementation, 1 to 9 months, what to do, the piloting stage, and you can modify it if you want to. The phase two is 10 to 24 months, what you are supposed to do. And then the phase three is 3 to 5 years. Okay, so I mean, you can do all your modification and your stakeholder engagement timeline, everything, impact milestone by 5 years, and this is what you have. So you have partnerships here and then capacity also here. All this thing on this platform, and I just want you to know that you can use this platform that we have created to do almost everything. Talent and capacity development, everything is here. And regulatory issues are also here. Amazing things happening. Workforce strategy is also here, and capacity building programs, knowledge exchange, and innovation. Everything is here. Then we have the environmental and social impact. These are all part of the project. Now, once we are done with this, I want you to see also that we can do what we call the new product development cycle. We can tell this environmental impact: 1 liter of ethanol replaces approximately 2.4 kg of CO2 compared to gasoline. So this is good. If 10 million liters are produced annually, CO2 emissions reduction will be 24,000 tons per year. And that's what I mean we are looking at, just to reduce these emissions, into the air, which causes serious problems for us. So you have the risk management, you say proceed. And when you finish, you compile everything together and you are good to go. So the platform has been made for Africans to be able to take our own destiny into our hands. And this, with the prompt Bible, you are good to go. I can tell you, there's nothing you cannot do. Okay, so those that are joining the AI, platform, those who will be trained, those who want certification are going to go through this. You are going to have access to this, and you can almost do everything. So the risk heat map is here, and then this is just amazing. This is just amazing. So conclusion, I say proceed. Right? So we have this one here, and that's it. And that's it. So um, that's just amazing. That's just amazing. So annual output 20 million per latest wasted. Very nice. Over 3 million tons of cassava husks annually. Job created is about 2,000 job direct. Foreign exchange is about 20 million annually. And carbon impact is about over 150,000 tons of CO2, which is just amazing. So that's it. So when you are done, you can finally, he said, would you like to generate a final 6-page dossier? Should I refine the chapters? No. So you like to me to generate a final? Yes. Do this. So it can do this for you. And yes. So then you are done. It's going to create this for you. And that is it. So that's what you do with this platform. So you can almost create everything. You can almost create everything, ladies and gentlemen. This is just amazing. It says that generating the formatting approach 2042. So this is a agentic AI taking over, saying that it's going to do this for you within this period. Okay, so that is it. That is it. So let's see. The same cassava also could you take me through how I can add value to the cassava using the new product development cycle? So I'm asking, so let's see. So maybe it can do that. So this is what, say absolutely adding value to cassava. So it takes us to the ideation, and this is exciting about this platform, right? So you see what is happening, concept formulation, market, and all that. And then it's going to take you through. So it tells you that here ideation, problem mapping, and discovery. And then it takes you to the concept formulation, product ethanol, and it takes you to the feasibility, I mean, study and all that. Okay. And then business modeling and market to plan. And then you can just start with it. Okay. So would you like a custom canvas template or AI simulated for pricing and all that? So you can begin with this. Whatever you want to do, you can expand this if you want. Okay. So for instance, if I say that um, um, the uh, provide me with 5 ideas that are justifiable in turning cassava into anything. I just want to, you get it. And then it's going to give you, so this is the ideation stage. It's going to do that, give you cassava starch. So you see what it's telling you to do. In import substitution, Ghana spend millions of this thing. Agro waste as opportunities is giving you climate resilience and drought, global market for green, and it's giving you all the job creation across. So he said, would you like to turn into one-page investor page or visual slide? Okay, deck. Okay, do the investor page. So let's see how it works out. So that's what we can do with this platform. All right. So this is the investor pitch, transforming Ghana's on-top cassava into biofuel. And it's giving you the investor pitch, right? And that is it. That is it. Okay, that is it. So that is it. So I'm going to share this on the platform with you. I just want you to know. No, I'm not going to share. Those who are on the AiAfrica and would want to work with us will have advantage of using this platform. And there are a number of platforms that we have created here, a number of them. And on the AiAfrica platform, once you register you become a trainer and all that, you can use this. You see, we have a great assistance here. Okay, that is used to do anything. You can use the Greek assistant to almost do anything. This is also a chatbot which is hosted on the AiAfrica lab. So you can say, what can you do for me? And then it will tell you what it can do. We also have the one for the health, all right? And so the agric assistant, this is what it can do: crop farming, agric, catfish, animal husbandry. You can use it to do almost everything, okay? And then a lot of chatbots we have here for um, energy, what do you call it? Mining and everything. It's here, right? And once you're on the lab, you have access to these chatbots that are created all these chatbots will be moved to our private chatbots in the next 6 to 8, months. So I want to thank you for your time. And for those who want to join the AI Africa Lab, make sure you do. And then also, if you want to join the upcoming training, which falls, let me see, on the 6th of, let me show you the upcoming training that you can join. It's online. And like we told you, that is it. So, special masterclass for Nigeria, grassroots from the 4th to 8th, which is online. The certification course, this is free. This is just your certification course, but this how much the whole program costs, which is sponsored. You send your account, if you want to register, send your WhatsApp to this line, and account details will be given to you, to register. We are only admitting for now 200 people, and already as I speak, we are hitting 150. So please, make sure you secure your spot. And this is the benefits that you have when you join. You have full access to the AI learning management system as you have there. Study it at your own pace, anywhere, anytime. Free access to the Nigerian Prompt Bible and Ghana Prompt Bible. Did you see that? Get the ultimate AI-powered playbooks for innovation and all, and other books that you're going to have access to. We want to make sure that we train you and you become the kind of person we want you to be. So visit the AI Africa website and then take the information here and then register. Not only Nigerians are going to do that, we have people from the UK, the US, they are trooping in because they want to be part of the AI Africa and learn and have access to the playbook and do the most of the things that they want to do. I want to thank you for your kind attention and have a good evening.